Hey guys, welcome back to another pocket size behind the scenes. Wow, my head's getting very long. Is anyone else having this problem? Just in case you're new, my name is Charlie, and on this channel I normally do longer, more immersive, big travel films. But in the interest of being a little bit more consistent, I'm also doing a behind the scenes series, showing you a little bit of what I get up to in between those big adventures. As you probably already know, Tom and I were supposed to be going up to Darwin, but with everything that happened with COVID-19, that plan went out the window. And I'm actually going to be in this little town I'm in at the moment called Berri for, well, the foreseeable future. So I figured that I would give you a little bit of behind the scenes of how I'm running everything from here now. Oh, am I totally shooting this in the wrong frame rate? Oh my goodness. There we go, that is better. So, I am living in a house with Tom's dad and his brother, so there's 4 of us in total. This is mine and Tom's room. We don't actually have a bed, we're just sleeping on a pile of mattresses. Yeah, because obviously we weren't planning on staying here. This you will have seen if you watch my Instagram stories. Tom made it out of an old pallet. And we found these letters and he spray painted them for me, which was really cool. And these are my 2 new plants. This one is Emmental, because it's full of holes, Swiss cheese. And this one is Louis, the lucky bamboo. And then he also made this for me as well, out of another piece of palette. This is the only book I have. I just got this one book I'm reading. I've even got my ration of biscuit brew. You guys know how much I love biscuit brew. And then this is my office setup. I'm quite used to working from home, so yeah, this is just a normal setup for me. So I don't have my proper laptop stand here. I've just got this shelf, but that will have to do. It's quite good. We actually cut it out so I can kind of fit stuff underneath it. And I also don't have a stand for my microphone, but you know, it's a pretty good setup. And Tom made me this cabinet to put all my tech on. So I've got my camera and, well, not all my tech, but some of it. Again, that was made out of pallet. He's so good at this sort of stuff. I'm very happy with this little office setup. We're doing pretty well. We just put up some corkboards so that I can put up my documents and just be a little bit more official in this corner. I guess it helps me work. I'm actually really fussy about where I work. I can't just work in a coffee shop or out and about, not that we can do that anyway at the moment, but normally I just can't work like that. I have to have my own little safe environment and my own little sanctuary basically that I can work in. I've always been like that. This is probably one of the reasons why I never even started editing on the road. I always used to film everything and then start making the series when I got home from the trip. But yeah, I guess it's just because I need that space to be able to create. I need my own little sanctuary. Let's go and see what Tom's doing. Tom's eating noodles. They're just out of the pan.
I was just going to put it into a bowl and eat out of the bowl, so I might let it out of the pan.
Nutritious breakfast there, Tommy Roo. Nice.
I'll wash it down with a Jim Beam and Coke.
At 9:30 in the morning.
COVID.
Well, welcome to quarantine. Quarantine behaviour. Is it good? I totally just realised that I forgot to introduce the 5th member of the family. Meet Min Min.
She doesn't like it, eh?
She doesn't like the lead. She's like, no.
Not what we normally do, is it?
Because she likes being carried. Well, we're going to take the dog for a little wander over at the oval, so I thought I'd show you. We're super lucky because we have this massive green space that is just across the street from us. So let's go. She's like a wind-up toy. She's like a bullet. See, I'm pretty sure that there's not many places in the UK that would have this massive green open space with no one here at all. So we're pretty good at social distancing here. Tom's having a little breather with the Min Min.
There's other dogs just over there, and we go that way. Go and make friends Min Min style.
What's making friends Min Min style?
Running and barking.
Running and barking.
She's not very sociable. Are you, little girl?
On this entire field, there is literally one other person with 2 dogs. That is it. She's
not used to this situation.
She does not understand how to be on a leash. Again, we're really lucky here because we have an outside yard area. We even have chickens, which is great when they start doing this at 4 o'clock in the morning. So this is Tom's workshop area. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of reminds me of being on a horror movie set. What are you doing now, Tommy Roo? See, I'm editing all day and I come out and Tom's like doing some sort of new project. What's up now, Tommy Roo?
Tidying up, clean the boat out.
Clean the boat out? Yeah, looks like it needs a clean. Can we paint it?
I don't know about painting it Trailblazer colours.
I think we should. We painted the bush Trailblazer colour. Look at this. Hold on.
You're so short.
I know, I'm sorry. Tom
annoying.
spray painted a little spinny grass in my colours. Because he calls me Spinny Grass. That's one of his nicknames for me. Why is it that you call me Spinny Grass?
When we were talking about spin effects.
Spin effects?
Yeah, on the trip, on our first trip it might have been.
Oh, yeah.
You said, oh, the spinny grass stabbed me or something.
The spinny grass.
I was like, you're a bloody spinny grass.
You're a spinny grass.
And it stuck. So.
But, oh, I remember when we were trying to do that light painting with
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we were setting it on fire and like running around and trying to paint it. Oh, he's picked it up. So just before anyone says anything, it's actually it's really spiky.
Yes.
It's dead. But this is the spinny grass.
Very
and he spray painted it in pocket Trailblazer colours. Yay!
Yes.
Another little project we've been creating during lockdown is the veggie garden. It took a lot of effort to get all the soil out of one area to put it into another area, which I'll show you now. Today's task: transferring the soil, the good soil, from the chicken coop into the veggie beds. So we've set up like a giant sieve mechanism to sieve out all the large pieces of rocks and everything. Daily workout. Except we just worked out the chickens are looking at us thinking we're completely crazy.
They're looking at us like, these humans, they're not very smart. We've already dug through all that and got all the good bits out.
The chickens are organised.
Chickens are up to something. They're organised, I know it.
It's not very helpful. Get the soil out from underneath, into the wheelbarrow and over to the veggie garden. That'll do. Yeah, that happened. My word, that's like worse than doing a pump workout, moving soil around and sifting it. Behind me here, this is going to be the veggie garden. We've got lots of different vegetables that we are growing at the moment to put into it. Let me show you. These are the little seedlings that are going to be going in. We have to keep them inside this box so that the chickens don't attack them. But I know that this one here is broccoli. This one apparently is cabbage. I don't know what this one is, but... Before this pocket size gets too long, I am just going to show you one last thing that's really cool. We are heading up just to watch the sunset from the lookout tower so that I can give you a little kind of bird's eye view of what Berri looks like. These steps, I ran up and down these like 4 times yesterday. Today I can barely go up once. Go, Charlie. Go. Don't touch it. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. So this is Berri from the tower. So that little bit of green there is where we were walking Min Min earlier. And then there's the river over there. The sun is about to go!
Go, go,
quick,
go,
quick,
go,
go, go, go!
Oh, there goes Charlie!
There it is, I know! There it goes! one?
And green flash.
And green flash.
Hold on.
Oh, what over there? Oh, that was so pretty. So yeah, I'm pretty lucky in this beautiful location that I'm getting to stay during lockdown. Anyway, that is enough from me. So please hit the like button and please subscribe, and I will see you in the next pocket size. Bye. You're gonna help me sign it off, Tommy Boo.
What am I gonna say?
You watch enough YouTube videos to know what you have to say, right?
Mozzie bought me.
I know, there's mozzies everywhere.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here.